Today, it's a heavyweight matchup in the comfort tyre segment. The legendary Michelin Primacy 4 Plus, known for setting benchmarks in comfort and touring, faces off against the bold newcomer, the Yokohama BlueEarth XT AE61, an SUV tyre specifically designed for refined performance. Can the BlueEarth challenge the Michelin's throne? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2025 Summer EV tyre test. In wet braking, Michelin clearly shines, stopping 1.7 meters shorter. That's about a 4% advantage. But Yokohama counters by being slightly quicker in wet handling, averaging 71.5 km/h comparing to Michelin's 70.6 km/h. However, when aquaplaning resistance was tested, Michelin regained the advantage with a speed of 12.1 km/h higher than Yokohama, translating to a 3% difference. On dry roads, Michelin again leads in braking, stopping 1.5 meters shorter than Yokohama, giving it a 4% advantage. Handling differences were minimal, with Michelin edging out Yokohama by a hair. Durability is crucial, and here Michelin pulls far ahead, delivering approximately 55% more mileage than Yokohama. That's a huge win for a long-term value. While Michelin edges out Yokohama in subjective comfort rating by 1 point, Yokohama strikes back with significantly lower exterior noise, 68.7 dB compared to Michelin's 71.2 dB. That's a 2.5 dB difference, resulting in a clear 4% quieter experience on the road. Michelin leads again with a 14% lower rolling resistance. Yet, real-world battery range differences remain minimal, only a 1% advantage for Michelin. This highlights complex real-world dynamics behind rolling resistance alone. Price-wise, Yokohama shines brightly, costing approximately 47% less than Michelin, making the Primacy 4 Plus notably more expensive. In summary, the Yokohama BlueEarth XT AE61 impresses with quieter rides and agile wet handling. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus decisively wins in critical safety and durability categories. Shorter wet and dry braking distances, superior aquaplaning resistance, exceptional wear life, and better efficiency.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.